And see right here, let's talk about the box. So this box can't do its thing because what you see under here, there's your heating element right there. And what these pellets do is they twirl through and they come and they sit in there and it smolders them and it's smoking. But when all this soot is in here, it can't do its job. And so this heating element with all this stuff on it, it cannot get to the pellets. It can't do its job. And so right there could be your number one problem. That's what you want to get to, but we got to get all this out. Hopefully y'all can see that. So you see, there's your heating element. You might see a tube right there. I can't see what's going on. There might be a tube right there. It twists up and they pop in here and they're going to flow and hit that right there. So you want to keep them ashes out of there so you get your adequate temperature, okay? It's Papa Texas. Sometimes Papa's Kitchen. Yeah.